Hello friends, today we are going to calculate the shear force and bending moment for given data. Now in this example we do not have given the beam, but the description of the beam as a simply supported beam having the 10-meter long span, which is as a now simply supported beam given, it means the one support is hinge and another one is roller, having the total span value as a 10 meter. Now another data is given as it is carries 3-point load at 3 meter, 5 meter, it means exactly at the center, and 8 meter from the left support with magnitude 100 kilonewton, 150 kilonewton and 200 kilonewton respectively. It means at location 3 meter the value is 100 kilonewton point load, 5 meter the value is 150 kilonewton point load, and at 8 meter the value is 200 kilonewton point load. So let us assuming the point AB as a support. Now C location having the distance of 3 meter from support A and intensity is given as 100 kilonewton. Now exactly at the midspan, it means at the point D the distance is given as a 5 meter and the value is 150 kilonewton and 200 kilonewton at location 8 meter from left hand support. So from location B it is at a 2 meter and the value is 200 kilonewton. So this is the beam which we have to solve. Now first of all let us going ahead for support reaction, and if we assume vertical reaction as a RA at location A, RB at location B and horizontal reaction at location A. Now we know that due to the absence of horizontal loading as well as inclined loading, our value of HA must be equal to 0. Now taking the moment at location A equal to 0 and treating anticlockwise moment as a negative of 3 equilibrium condition, we have 100 into 3 in clockwise direction, so it is 100 into 3 positive. Due to 150 kilonewton, it is 150 into 5 in clockwise direction, so it is 150 into 5, and 200 kilonewton point load with distance 8 meter from location A and clockwise, hence it is 200 into 8, and due to the RB in upward assumed direction it creates anticlockwise moment, so it is minus RB and total distance as a 10, which must be equal to 0. Now solving this term we will have the reaction at location B, which is 265 kilonewton. So our value of RB is 265 kilonewton. Now second equilibrium condition is sigma V equal to 0, hence the RA in upward direction plus RB in upward direction. Now 100, 150 and 200 is downward direction, so it is negative 100 at location C minus 150 at location D and 200 at location E, which must be equal to 0. Now RB value is 265, and solving this value we will have the reaction at location A as a 185 kilonewton. So using 3 equilibrium condition, first we have to calculate the support reaction. Now going ahead for the calculation of shear force diagram. At location A, upward 185 kilonewton load, so SF at location A is 185 kilonewton. Now at location C, if we consider left hand side direction, then upward 185 minus 100, downward direction, so it is 185 minus 100 as a 85 kilonewton. Now SF at location D, which is equal to 85 up to point C and downward 150, so it is minus 150, so total value is 65 kilonewton, but it is negative. Now SF at location E, which is equal to minus 65 up to point D and 200 in downward direction at location E, hence it is minus 200, so total value is 265 kilonewton but negative. and exactly at location B, minus 265 up to E and plus 265 due to the vertical reaction at B, as the total value is 0. So our calculation is okay. Now plotting this value in shear force diagram, we will have at location A upward 185. Now from A to C there isn't any point load, hence the diagram is horizontal straight line. Now from location C, the 185 minus 100, so it is 85 in downward direction. From C to D there isn't any load, hence horizontal straight line. From D, the downward 150 kilonewton load, so the value is minus 65, so it is in negative direction. From D to E, absence of loading, we will have horizontal straight line. Now at location E, 200 downward load, so it is minus 265 in downward direction. Then the absence of loading, horizontal straight line, and at location B the value is 0, hence the value is 0. So the diagram indicates the shear force diagram of given beam with positive and negative value. Now going ahead for the calculation of bending moment diagram, we know that at the support our bending moment is 0. Now at location C, if we take the moment and left hand direction, then it is 185 into 3 in clockwise direction. So it is positive 185 into 3 as a 555 kilonewton meter. Now at location D, again in left hand direction, 185 into 5 in clockwise direction, so positive 185 into 5, and 100 into total distance between D to C is 2 meter, so it is minus 100 into 2, so total value is 725 kilonewton meter. And at location E, if we observe the right hand side direction and right hand side anti-clockwise is positive, hence the value is 265 into 2, but it is positive, which is 530 kilonewton meter. Now using this value we have to plot the bending moment diagram, and first the bending moment at location A and bending moment at location D is 0. At location C our value is 555. At location D or mid span the value is 725, and at location E the value is 530, which is less than 555. Now we know that for the point load we have to plot a inclined straight line between all the points. So our bending moment diagram is and all the value is positive. So diagram shows the bending moment diagram of this given beam. Thank you.